Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your Amazon purchase history and even hide specific order from view by archiving them. While Amazon doesn't let you delete your older history, archiving is the next best option of keeping things private. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon down below. Here in the profile interface, you have to select account. In accounts, you have to tap on your orders. As you can see that I haven't ordered anything from Amazon, but in your order list there might be purchase items which you want to delete or hide. For that I am going to guide you how to archive your order. You have to select the recent purchase which you want to archive or hide. Then click the archive order button, which is usually located under the order details or near the product listing. So tap onto the archive order to hide your order. And keep in mind that archiving an order doesn't delete it from Amazon record. It simply removes it from the default view of your order history. And that's it. While you can delete your purchase history entirely, archiving is a great way to keep certain orders private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.